sponsored by Rice Krispies.
Pop! 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 Pop!
Good morning. You're watching Channel 5 News with me, Ellicott, and Brandon. Today we have a special news report about earthquakes. We'll be going to the town hall to talk to the mayor for a few questions about earthquakes. Here's Brandon.
Thank you, Ellicott. This is Brandon reporting with the mayor. How will you get food and water to the people who were affected by the earthquake?
We will try to get prior connections to stores like Wegmans, prior medicine connections to stores like Rite Aid, and so on.
How will people be affected if the earthquake affects the hospital?
Again, we will try to get prior connections to the hospitals, update the nurses at the school in cures and medicine so they can help the staff and children.
How will you assist the college with 10,000 students and staff?
Same thing as the school, the cures, and the medicine. We will try to get the nurses updated, and we will try to practice a daily or weekly evacuation process.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor. Back to Ellicott.
Thanks, Brandon. That was very interesting. Now we'll be going to the school board to ask them a few questions about their school safety and their student safety.
Thank you, Ellicott. This is Brandon reporting on duty with the superintendent of Rockford District School. What should students do in the event of an earthquake?
Well, we have a drill. It's called the DCH plan, and it means duck, cover, and and hold plan. And we say code red, which we had the teachers explain to students in the beginning of the year what that is, and when they hear the drill, what to do. So that's what we do.
Thank you. What would you do if a kid was missing?
Well, if a kid was missing, we would contact the teachers to where the student is supposed to be, and we would call the parents and keep searching for him or her until we found him.
Thank you.
Okay, now we're gonna demonstrate what we do and if there was a real earthquake.
Code red, this is a drill. Code red, this is a drill.
Thanks, Brandon. At least we know that our students are safe. Now we'll be going to the seismologist lab for a few questions.
Thank you, Ellicott. This is Brandon reporting with Dr. Zander. What tools do they need when an earthquake hits?
Usually we need a seismograph, which measures the strength of the earthquakes after it hits, and it's also called a Richter scale.
Thank you. What should you do if an earthquake hits?
Usually when an earthquake hits, you should grab a bag of food that won't expire, and you also need an extra bag for extra clothes, just in case.
Thank you.
Now what we have here is, this is what we call the ring of fire. This is where all the volcanoes hit, all the volcanoes erupt, and also a lot of activity for earthquakes. And the Hawaiian area is a really big hot spot for earthquakes.
Thank you. Back to Ellicott.
Thanks, Brandon. That was a lot of useful information. Now we'll be going to the architects and engineers of our local town.
Thank you, Ellicott. This is Brandon with Architect Carey. Where are the weak points in a bridge?
Usually the weak spots on bridges are where the road and the bridge connect, because joining them together is difficult and can also get damaged easily. Also, areas in columns don't have as much support as where the columns actually are. Our bridge in particular has the same weak spots as every bridge. As of now, we're working on more safety features such as columns.
Thank you. Back to Ellicott.
Thank you for watching our show. We hope you found it very informative. And this is Ellicott reporting from Channel 5 News.
Rice Krispies, baby.